Call flows describe how incoming calls to the system are routed internally to users according to the time of the day and the day of the week. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a call flow. Log into the installer portal of the system. On the home page, go to the tab Time and click on the first link, Day-Night Call Flows. On this page, you can define up to 15 time-based call flows. We've already programmed a daytime call flow, a nighttime call flow, lunchtime call flow. So we can program an afternoon call flow here and give it a name. So let's type in afternoon. And press save. Once you've decided how many different call flows you need and what names you want to give them, it's time to set the timing options. To do this, click on the Time tab and go down to the second link, which is Day-Night Switch Times. The call flows are switched on sequentially during the day depending on the switch time that you give each call flow on this page. In this example, you can see we have very simply a daytime call flow starting at 9 AM and a nighttime call flow starting at 6 PM. But you can define up to 15 different call flows throughout the period of the day, and you can define a different set of call flows for each day of the week. And when you've finished programming on this page, press save. The next step is to decide how you want to route the calls for each one of these incoming call flows. To do this, you go to the Trunks tab and pick the third link, Call Flows. On this page, we're going to program the routing of the calls. We start by selecting which call flow we want to program. Here we have a number of options, and we're going to select the nighttime call flow. This page lists all of the phone numbers currently defined on the system, and for each phone number in the adjacent column it shows the current destination that's programmed for incoming calls on this phone number. Incoming calls on a number can be routed to a single destination. That single destination can be a user, or it can be a group of users. It can also be an announcement of the automated attendant, or a contact center skill set, or a group which contains users and an announcement of the automated attendant. It can be an external number, or it can be a Meet Me conference room. To select the destination for a number, click on the Edit button for the number. This is the assignment page for the number shown at the top of the page. On the left, you have a list of all possible extensions, users, and groups that can be assigned to this destination. You also have a search bar on top to allow you to search for a particular user or group. In the center, you have the assignment column, which shows the destination currently assigned to the number for this call flow. To assign a user to this particular number, find the user you want to assign in the column and click on the plus symbol. So this user is now assigned for this number. If you wish to remove that, click on the minus sign or on the remove all just above it. If you wish to assign a group to this number, you can search for the group in the search box. And here's a list of the groups. So let's assign the first group here. Press save in order to save this assignment. It's important to note that we cannot have both a group and a welcome message assigned. So for this attribution to work, we need to remove one or the other. So let's remove the welcome message, clicking on the plus sign here and select no welcome message. So now we have allocated a group but no auto attended message, so that should work. In order to assign an external destination or a meet me room, click on the link on this page and you're brought to a page where you can type in an external destination number here and press the green box to accept or to apply, or you can select a meeting room from one of the several meeting rooms available and again tick the green box to apply. In order to assign an auto-attended message to this number, you need to click on the plus sign and select an auto-attended message from the list displayed. So here we'll choose the welcome message. And we can see now the welcome message is assigned. Don't forget to press save to save this assignment. If you wish to assign an incoming number to a new group that hasn't been set up, you need to do this in the Groups tab. Go to Group Settings. Here you can define a group name, and under Group Assignment you can allocate users to that group in the same way as we have just done on the call flow page. So you must define the call flow for every external number on the system that's listed on this page, and when you've finished you need to go and do the same programming for each of the call flows that you have defined. And that's it for call flow programming. Thanks for watching this video.